Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning on how we can fix when your laptop is very running slow and it hangs. So please do finish watching this video till the very end, and the very first thing we need to do is to go open the power options there. So please go to your search tab, Windows search tab, and then type power, and then you will get here under settings to choose a power plan option. So once you click on that, you will get the same window here. All you need to do is just to select for the plan that you select for the plan, which is high performance or ultimate performance. So either of the two, you can choose them. And then once selected, just close this window, and then we will proceed with the startup app. So just go to the taskbar, make a right click, go to task manager option there, and then let me just expand this one. So here in the left navigation pane, you will see the startup apps option. Please make a click on that, and all you need to do is just to disable all the unnecessary applications or unwanted applications that you don't want to be associated during startup. And to do that, simply make a right click on the application, click on the disable button here, and then it will be disabled. And just please do the same with all the unnecessary applications that you have there. Once you're done with this one, just close this window, and then here we will search for defragment and optimize this one, defragment and optimize drive. So once you click on this one, and then once this is already open, all you need to do is just to select your C drive and optimize it, and then close the window, and then we will proceed with the disk cleanup. So we can do that simply by making a command in the run window. So please open the run window by pressing in your keyboard the Windows R key altogether, and here we need to type clean mgr, and then once you're done typing, just please click on OK or enter, and then please select the files that you want to be deleted, or check the files that you want to be deleted from your device. All you need to do is just to check the box before it, and then once done checking it, selecting it, just click on this OK button here, and then you're good to go. Once you're done with that one, just proceed with this cleanup system files. And here, just wait for the calculating options or procedure to be done. Once done, you're assuming that you're done with this one, just proceed with the settings. So here, with the same window, just select again the files to delete, and then click on OK. Just do the same process with what we did earlier, and then the next thing you need to do is to proceed to the settings. So make a right click in the Windows icon, go click on the settings option there, and then once you do that, you will be here in the settings window. Please go to the left pane, click the system option, click on the, or look for the advanced system option. We will be going first to the display, and then we will be looking for advanced system settings or advanced display settings. So since I don't have that in this window, I will just be exploring. So let me just quickly do that. Okay, so I have here, I am here in the about window, and then I have found here the advanced system settings. So once you click on advanced system settings, you will get the system properties window coming up. All you need to do is just to go to this performance tab here, and then click on the settings button before it, after it, just below it. And then once you do that, please select this adjust for best performance option. And then once you click on that, you can also select here the features that you want to apply. For example, show shadows under mouse pointer. So whichever features here that you want to apply in this adjust for best performance option, just do check them, and then click on apply, and then click on OK. Close this window, and then the next thing we need to do is to run some commands. So please open the run window. So please go to your keyboard, press the Windows R key altogether, and then here we need to type %temp%, and then once done typing, please click on OK or enter, and then here all you need to do is just to select everything. These are actually the junk files, the bad registries, and the cache files in your device. So just select everything by pressing Ctrl A in your device, in your keyboard, and then click on the delete button there, and then you will see some files here that are being skipped. Just leave them be because they are still being currently used in the device. So or in the applications that you are opening in your device. So just check this, do this for all current items, and then click on the skip button here. Once you're done with this one, we will proceed with another command. So open again the run window, and this time we will type temp only and then click on OK or enter. And then here, just do the same with what we did earlier. Control A and then delete. And then the next thing is to open again the run window. This time we need to type prefetch and then click on OK or enter. And then just do the same with what we did earlier, because all the files here are junk files, cache files, and bad registries. So just Control A, select everything, and then click on delete button there. And then close this window and proceed with the next command, which is msconfig. So once you're done typing it, just please click on OK. And then we will be going to this services tab. We are now in the system configuration window. So here, all you need to do is just to select this hide all Microsoft services. And then once you are done with this one, all you need to do is just to click on OK. And then after doing this one, we will be running another command, which is regedit. So open again the run window, and here we need to type regedit and then click on OK or enter. Just click on yes to proceed. And then here, all we need to do is just to go to some location. So let me just minimize everything here. So please go to the current user, HKey current user, control panel, and then go to mouse. So the next thing you need to do is to go to the right section. Here we need to look for mouse hover timer, this one. And once you found it, please make a right click, click on modify here, and then set the value data into 10. Once you're done with this one, click on OK, and then we will proceed with the desktop. So look for desktop, and then in the right section, please look for menu show delay. So scroll down a little bit, we will be looking for this one, menu show delay. Just like what we did, make a right click, click on the modify, and set the value data into 10. Click on OK, and then close this window. And once you're done with this one, just make a quick restart with your device and you're good to go. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll see you again in the next time. Bye bye.